Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by asking permission because this is someone else's device, simple and necessary. Once granted, make sure the AirPods have charge and your phone's Bluetooth is on. Open the case close to your device. You should see a pairing pop-up or a white LED blink. If no pop-up appears, go to Bluetooth settings and look under available devices. While you act, keep the AirPods and phone within 1 to 2 feet to avoid dropout. Proceed to the next set of steps. Tap the on-screen pop-up to pair, or open Settings Bluetooth and select the AirPods manually. If the AirPods are bound to the owner's Apple ID, they must remove them from their account. This prevents activation lock and restores pairing ability. Once paired, confirm audio routes to the AirPods by checking the device's output selector and adjust left/right balance if you notice uneven sound. Make sure you know how to switch between mono and stereo. This helps if one bud sounds weak. Test music and make a quick call to verify microphone and controls. This confirms everything works for your needs. If pairing fails, reset the AirPods by placing them in the case, opening the lid, and holding the setup button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. Then retry pairing. Once finished, return the AirPods to the owner and, if appropriate, forget the device from your Bluetooth list to prevent automatic reconnection. One tip: if audio cuts, check interference and battery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.